How to replace the cartridge. Before replacing the cartridge, ensure the air supply has been disconnected. Loosen the bolts starting with 2 opposites. Then, unthread all 4 bolts completely and remove the lid. Remove the cartridge from the body and dispose of responsibly. Take a new cartridge, remove it from its bag, and place it into the body. Replace the lid and secure with the bolts. Note, tighten 2 opposite bolts first to ensure even pressure is applied over the lid and you have a perfect seal. Take your filter replacement sticker, write today's date on it, and adhere it to the body. Your cartridge needs to be replaced every 3 months or 400 operating hours.